Hey, what's going on, guys? Mark here with a portfolio update and a market overview for today. Today's Friday. Today has been a volatile day, kind of as expected. Today is the Quadruple witching day, which basically means that a lot of contracts are expiring today, and it's going to be the end of the quarter, so there's going to be some potential volatile moves. I mean, we kind of already did. We broke down in the S&P500. Let's look at that. We broke down. I think we reached, 329.30. That's not that bad. But yeah, pretty volatile moves today. I would have liked to see it go in the other direction because of my SPY calls, but that's okay. We still have a long expiration date on those three. Let's see, where are we at with them? Yeah, we have the 9/25, which is next week sometime, and we have October 23rd and November 20th. I'm really curious to see what happens here in the next few days. But let's take a look at Tesla, because Tesla seems to be the only green thing in my portfolio right now. Yep, only green thing right now, which is typical Tesla, because Tesla is a monster, and Tesla just knows how to push through everything, which is pretty crazy. I'm really bullish on Tesla. I really believe that Tesla's going to be pumping and pumping and pumping for the long term. There's some crazy price predictions that a lot of bears I see saying, but they're bears, so and if you don't know what a bear is basically a somebody that thinks the market is going to go down, or somebody that thinks that a certain company is overvalued, or they think that there should be a pullback. And a bull, if you don't know what that is basically somebody that thinks the opposite, that thinks the market is going to run up, or is basically a good thing. Like, they think that if I'm bullish on Tesla, I believe that Tesla's going to increase in value over a set period of time. And if I'm bearish, I think that over a set period of time that the price is going to decrease. But anyways, a lot of people that are bearish are giving crazy price predictions, like they think it should be under 200, but I don't see that happening. I think we are consolidating kind of right now, and I think that I think long term Tesla is just going to grow. We're getting really close to battery day. I'm really excited to see what happens. Do we think that Tesla is the price is accounted for that, or do you think it's going to run up on battery day? I'm really curious to see what happens. I think that it might be buy the rumor, sell the news, but even if it gets sold on battery day, I think it's just going to get bought right back up, because let's be honest, Tesla is kind of like a cult company, and it should be, honestly. I'll consider myself part of that. I really believe that Tesla is going to change the world, and good things are going to come with Tesla. So I back that. I like that it's that way, because I would love to see electric vehicles running rampant across the world. But Tesla's just constantly always coming out with innovative things, and that's why I love the company. But yeah, let's look at the 3 month. The 3 month, look, that looks like a healthy pullback, and we're kind of recovering from it. I like to see this right here. This is good. This is when the stock split and we retraced down, but that also was in combination with the entire market kind of selling off, kind of like the mini tech bubble popping, if you will. I don't think that we're going to have another leg down. I think that we're kind of consolidating, and we're up. We're going to be going up from here. The 1 year chart looks great. I'm happy to see that. Might have a little bit of a sell-off, but I mean, based on the 1 year chart, but I really don't see us going below this level right here. I think that that's some steady resistance right at the top of 333. I think that we're not going to be dipping below there. I know that may seem crazy, like a really high pricing, but let's be honest, Tesla is a volatile stock, but long term, super bullish on it. Really believe that it's only going to grow from here. But yeah, I heard that there was some news out about Tesla being the number one car company in China right now for it being trending at least, and I really like that. I really like to see that, because if Tesla becomes the number one car company in Asia, that's going to be a huge thing for the company, and it will be a huge thing for the world. But yeah, let's look back at the overall market on the S&P 500. Yeah, I would really like to see us hold at the 330, above 330. If not, we might be in a little free fall action for a little bit. But like I said, today is the quadruple witching day, so usually the hour before close is when there is going to be a volatile move. In statistically speaking, they say that it can have upwards of a 50% increase in volatility on this day, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully it goes up and we don't have a 50% volatile down, because it will probably break some serious resistance levels, and that won't be good for my SPY calls. But hey, if it goes down, that creates a good opportunity to look at different resistance levels and look at maybe taking some of the money from the sidelines and putting it in and making a trade happen, or just buying in at the dip. Because if we break a resistance level down past 330 and we go a little bit further, I think that there's a lot of opportunity for a trade. But yeah, guys, just wanted to do a portfolio update. We're down $125 today. Probably more than that, considering if you want to price in the 3 SPY calls I have. But I'm not really pricing those in, to be honest. Once we sell, then we'll see where we're at. But we're at 32,625, and we will see where we're at on Monday. See you later, guys. Bye.